transporting a scooter or power chair doesn't get easier than with Bruno's Joey. Designed for select SUVs, crossovers, minivans, and full-size vans, the Joey offers a drive-on, drive-off platform and one-button simplicity to quickly and easily load mobility devices weighing up to 350 pounds or 159 kilograms. Simply push the button and the fully powered lift lowers and self-levels. Ride a scooter or power chair onto the platform until the wheels catch in place. Push the button and the lift retracts into the cargo area and you're ready to go. The Joey's industry-exclusive safety barrier ensures the mobility device stays secured and unable to enter the passenger area, even during sudden stops. Because the safety barrier eliminates the need for securement belts in most vehicles, the Joey is the fastest and easiest interior platform lift on the market. If you'd like even more peace of mind, optional securement belts can be added to the barrier. There's no need to make any modifications to your scooter or power chair when using a Joey. Just drive up, push a button, and your mobility device is neatly stowed inside your vehicle and away out of the weather elements. And a backlit hand control and illuminated platform makes it easy to load and unload at night. The compact Joey allows second row seating be retained in most vehicles, so you can take your mobility device and passengers to your destination. Your local Bruno authorized dealer can quickly install the Joey. And if you purchase a new applicable vehicle in the future, it's likely the Joey can be reinstalled. Whether you're loading your scooter or power chair during the day or night, in the snow or sun, the Joey is the fastest, safest lift on the market. Bruno's Joey is truly as easy as it gets.